Welcome to SaziBox Health. Today we're sharing 4 actionable steps to help you achieve a digital detox, reclaiming your focus and mental peace. In our always connected world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. A digital detox is about consciously reducing screen time to improve well-being. Constant notifications, endless scrolling, and the pressure to always be online can lead to significant stress and mental fatigue. By stepping back from digital noise, you can rediscover your focus, reduce anxiety, and find a deeper sense of mental peace. Our first step is to declare your bedroom a sacred, tech-free zone. This means no phones, tablets, or laptops in bed. Imagine waking up refreshed, without the immediate pull of your digital devices. A tech-free bedroom leads to truly restful sleep. This simple change can profoundly impact your sleep quality and morning clarity, setting a more positive tone for your entire day. Next, replace the urge to scroll with engaging analog activities. This is your chance to reconnect with your creative side. Instead of mindlessly consuming content, pick up a book, journal your thoughts, or engage in a hobby like drawing or painting. These activities can reignite your creativity, provide stress relief, and allow for deeper self-reflection without digital interruptions. Our third step involves scheduling specific, tech-free time blocks throughout your day. Treat these as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Whether it's an hour for lunch without your phone, or an afternoon dedicated to a project without email pings, these breaks are essential. These intentional pauses allow your mind to reset, improving concentration and reducing the constant feeling of being on. Finally, practice mindful notification management. You are in control of when and how you receive digital alerts. Turn off non-essential notifications, customize alerts for important contacts, and consider batching your email and social media checks. This conscious management reduces constant interruptions, allowing you to regain control over your attention and cultivate a more focused environment. Embracing a digital detox is a powerful step towards improved mental well-being. To recap, remember to set your bedroom as a tech-free zone, replace scrolling with analog activities, schedule tech-free time blocks, and practice mindful notification management. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the profound benefits of a healthier digital balance for a more peaceful and focused life.